Have you ever had a blueberry crisp? We're making one today. I have my baking dish. I'm just going to spray it with Cam. Okay. I have fresh blueberries. Put in a bowl. Those have been washed, any bad ones removed, and the stems taken out. I have flour, sugar, and cinnamon. I'm just going to mix up. And guys, I will give you the full ingredient list and amounts in the description box. That's my butter melting, guys. Did you hear it? Okay, we're going to mix that in with our berries. Stir everything together. Now, you can use other fruits with this if you'd like. You could use plums, peaches, nectarines. Just whatever you'd be in the mood for. Today we're doing blueberries. Okay. Throw those in there. Spread them out. Okay. Now let's get our topping made. Now we're going to make the topping for our crisp. I have flour. Guys, I just always like to run it through a sieve. It makes it lighter, easier to work with. Oatmeal, brown sugar. Mix these up. Don't have to be perfect. Just mix them a little bit, and then we're going to add melted butter. We're going to take our blueberries and we're just going to scatter this out. Now this is all going to cook down together and you're going to have a nice syrup, and then the flour that's in the berries originally is going to help make a nice thick syrup that's in there. I'm going to put this in a preheated 350-degree oven, and I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. I just took our blueberry crisp out of the oven. It's still pretty warm, but guys, I'm wanting to get in that. That looks so good. I think personally that there should be a little bit more streusel on the top. So next time that I make this, guys, I'm actually going to double the topping. So just keep that in mind. It's still pretty warm. Very warm. That is really good, guys. I love using fresh fruits when they're in season. If you've not had a blueberry crisp, y'all need to give this a try because it's really good. But thanks for watching, guys. Share this on your social media, all your Facebook groups. Share it with your friends. And guys, I'll see y'all in that next video.